Hi guys, how's it going? My name's Leah and I'm going to be going over the Smart and NGN case studies today. So as you can see from our homepage, the first thing we're going to do is go to the Quiz Yourself button. Once you're here, you can see all of the different ways you can customize your Smart Quiz. We have multiple choice questions, NextGen case studies, and you can do a mixture of both. Today I'm going to show you a NextGen case study and you can see tons of our topics here. All of them have an NGN case study with it. I'm going to go through and click respiratory and we're going to start our quiz. The awesome thing about these case studies is they were made with you in mind. We created them to look like exactly what you're going to see on test days so you can be as ready as you can be. As you can see here, these questions have 6 parts, so you can go through the information. A lot of the times there's different information being added throughout. So our first question, we're going to go through and select what we think would be the correct answer. These questions are especially challenging because they're testing not only your knowledge but critical thinking as well in multiple different formats. But I love Smarten because we give you so many different types of formats that you could possibly see on test day to make sure you're as prepared as you could be. After you've handed in the quiz, it's especially helpful you can see what you got right and wrong, and with a detailed rationale, this can help you understand whether you got lucky with a guess or you really know your stuff. My favorite part about Smarten is it's able to track your progress to let you know where you stand. It lets you know what you did well on and what you still need to work on so you can be super confident for test day. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and request your membership today to start studying smarter. We know you can do this.